Honorable Minister of State for Finance, distinguished guests, Office Bearer of BRICS Chamber of Commerce and Industry, IACA, eminent speakers, respected media fraternity, representatives of academia and my dear friends.
Institute of Asian Studies, Dr. Bhaskar Chatterjee, Director General and CEO, Indian Institute of Corporate Affairs, Government of India, Professor C.D. Bakshi, former Director, MDI, Gurgaon, Dr. Shushi Singh, Convener Center for CSR, BRICS CCI, and CEO Educom Foundation, and Dr. BBL Madhukar, Secretary General, BRICS CCI.
Purist way. Since then, I think the thinking has evolved. And the business school I went to now talks about businesses as being a force for good in society. A force for good in society. And actually, the more purist role of business, which is to create jobs, pay their taxes, and provide high quality products and services to their consumers, is certainly still there. That's the traditional role of business. But we are not operating in a developed country context. We are operating in a country, as Shri Amod Kanthaji pointed out, which is a very, very poor country as well. And in that very poor country, in a developing country, I don't think we can think about business in a purist sense. We have to think about business in a more expansive way.
Is going to be released in the public domain with your blessings, and this shall be a milestone in the history of CSR revolution.
Now, I've always believed every human being has a certain DNA, a certain trait, quality. And I can confidently say that in this room today, there are a large number of people who live for others. And that is the essence of people who are involved with corporate social responsibility and deliverance of it. And thank God for that there are people.
Let me begin with congratulating all of you, and particularly the CSR Center of BRICS CCI. We have to see that the world has already moved from the charity mode to philanthropic mode to corporate social responsibility mode, and now there is discussion about the corporate social accountability. And once again, I am thankful to the CSR Center of BRICS CCI, and particularly dear Sister Shushi, you have organized this wonderful event, and I hope that governments of the states and the central government, the corporations and civil society will listen to your call, which is much more timely.
So towards that end, we are required to debate today the efficacy of the tools that we have designed.
But it depends on the company and how much it's wanting to invest in this kind of expertise. Like for example, TCS would have, I have a colleague, Brinda, just if you stand up. We have Spocks all over the country, and they themselves go and see what's happening, and they're all trained, they understand TCS as a corporate, and they're all trained in how to address issues on the field.
And my confidence that they have full right to live happy life with dignity and respect. So I'm working since 2 decades, and I request everybody to come and join hands with me. Thank you so much.
चलिए, शुक्रिया। मेरा जो कंज्यूमिंग पैशन है, जो मुझे इस सेक्टर में लाता है कुछ और चीज़ों को, उसमें से एक भारतीय भाषाओं का भविष्य भी है। और मैं देखता हूँ कि मैं जिस पे काम करता हूँ और जिस पे मुझे मदद की ज़रूरत है, वो ये है कि इंग्लिश से इस देश की सारी भाषाओं को, सारी संस्कृति को, सारी कलाओं को जो खतरा है, उसको कैसे बचाएं, हम भारत को कैसे बचाएं। खैर, मैं उस पर आज बात नहीं करूँगा।
Look at the gap in the health industry. We as a nation spend close to about 4% of our GDP in healthcare. America, where we can still debate whether that is the best way to offer healthcare, spends close to about 17 or thereabout percentages of their GDP in healthcare. There is a huge gap. Our policies are such that our primary, secondary and tertiary program, forget about the rehabilitation post-tertiary programs, are suffering. The gaps are several. A, funding is an issue. B, manpower is an issue. C, infrastructure is an issue. And what to do for that?
I am a member of the City Council, Russian Federation, Central Municipal District. I love India. We have many projects with Russia, India.